My name is Doug. I live in Newport Beach, California. I know it's probably an oxymoron to say it's nice to come to a dentist, but I feel walking in the door, the minute I hit the door, Dr. David and his staff are so professional, true artist in what the whole team does, not to mention Dr. David. His technology seems to always be upgraded every time I've come in. It's always state-of-the-art equipment. I believe that his staff are trained very well through whatever advancements in technology there is. Walking in the front door of Dr. David's office makes me feel like I'm walking into my own home, which truly is a comfort zone for any patient that would walk into any doctor's office. His team, the minute you hit the front desk, is very professional, very warm, and makes me feel that much more comfortable. It's not fun to get into a dental chair for anyone, I'm sure, but by the time I get to the chair, I feel very, very comfortable and very calm, and it's all the way through whatever procedure I'm having, I feel that's the same way I'm treated.